welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelica Fitzgerald if you are new, and if you are not new, welcome back. So today we're going to be reviewing 3 products. They're all in front of me. I have used 2 of the products for a good amount of time, and I am loving them. And the third product I have not used yet because I actually wanted to keep it in its pretty packaging so you guys can see what it's going to look like if you get it. And also, it is one of those products where after you use it once, it's like lost its cuteness. So wanted it to still be cute for the video. So the 3 products I'm going to be talking about, reviewing, and showing you guys today are all by Spongelle. I actually just discovered this brand about 3 weeks ago. I ordered one thing from them and I was like, whoa. So I reached out to the brand, asked if they wouldn't mind doing a collab with me and send me a few more items and I would post about them. I'm actually doing a giveaway with them as well. Very exciting news. I'll talk about that at the end of the video. So stay tuned if you want a chance to enter a very awesome giveaway. But yeah, they were able to send me a few other things. I have tried, like I said, 2 of the 3 products so far and I am in love with them. So I really just wanted to take this opportunity to talk to you about the product, talk about the fact stuff, the size, the cost, all that good stuff, and then share my awesome giveaway with you. And also, if this video is after my giveaway has been done, I have an awesome discount code for you guys as well. So we'll share all of that at the end of the video. So if you are ready, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. Okay, so the first product that I'm literally loving is Spongelle's hand cream. It also comes in the most gorgeous packaging. So this is the bottle. It's pink and it has like this gold pretty thingy happening. This stuff smells so good. Oh my god, it's amazing. Let me take my rings off so I can put it on. So one thing with Spongelle that I really liked, I'm just gonna put a little drop on, not too much. This is literally just hand cream, so this will last forever and you don't need that much. But one thing with Spongelle that's really cool is that they have all of these different packages to buy for all types of body products based off of scents. So this particular scent I have is the lavender package. I really like that scent. So all the stuff they sent me was in the lavender family, and it smells so good. And I kid you not, they literally have like 50 different scents. So whatever your scents palette is feeling, you will be able to find it on Spongelle. The second product that we're going to be talking about today is their all-around body lotion, which this is a big body lotion bottle, so this will last you for a while. And the third thing that I have not used yet is their Cleanse, Exfoliate, Massage, and Nourish Infused Butter Sponge. That was a mouthful, but this is what it looks like. So like I said, it's still in the packaging. It's so cute. It's like a little flower. All of their sponges come in this cute little flower form. And I am gonna take it out of the package and feel it and talk with you guys about that. So we're gonna start with the hand cream. So this does retail for $18, not bad at all. It is 2 ounces, so you can travel with it. As I always mention, the travel size for an airplane to bring on the plane is 3.4 fluid ounces, so this can come on the plane with you. You do not have to check it. So the key ingredients in here are water, okay, shea butter, argan oil, hyaluronic, and fragrance. Now these are made in the United States. We love that. Its patented ingredients will soothe, nourish, and hydrate your hands and cuticles. So this just, I have nothing but good things to say about it. It smells fantastic. It makes my hands feel great. It also absorbs in my skin really fast so that I don't have to like wait before I can touch something else. And most of the time I apply this, I'm in the car. And the worst thing is when you're in the car, especially like on a hot day, and you put lotion on and it doesn't absorb quickly, and you go to drive and you're just slip and sliding all over that steering wheel. That's kind of dangerous too. So this absorbs really, really fast, and also in the heat as well, because I've been applying it outside in that hot LA winter heat. So it absorbs quickly. And I like that. So this I would totally recommend, and it's also a great price. This is luxury skincare, so for $18, that is fantastic. So moving on to the big body lotion. Now this guy is 12 fluid ounces, so you will not be bringing this on the plane. You can check it obviously, but this is an at-home cream. I have been applying this pretty much every day when I've been getting out of the shower. I shower almost every day, unless I literally have nothing to do the following day, then I don't need to shower. But almost every day I've been applying this, and it has lasted me a while because its main ingredients are shea butter and argan, which I feel like those kind of are common products to be in lotions. I don't know what Spongelle does differently than some other brands, but I literally I just need like this much for both of my legs, and it's perfect. It doesn't feel greasy or sticky. It's just like silk literally on my legs, and it's absorbed super fast. And so if I put like a blanket on, you know that feeling when you put a blanket on after you put lotion on, and sometimes it feels a little sticky? This does not make me feel like that at all. It's so hydrating. So again, this comes in about 50 different scents. It does retail for $20. Again, fantastic price. It's a combination of shea butter, argan oil, avocado oil, vitamin E, and it offers a unique pampering feeling day and night. Now, I've only been using this during the day because I take my showers in the morning, but I'm sure at night it feels great too. The only thing Spongelle does not make that they need to start making are candles, because their scents for all their products are incredible. And yeah, it'd be nice to have this smell that I have on my skin like in the air. So that's the body lotion. Again, I love this stuff so much. And then lastly, we have this exfoliate sponge. So since I don't know how this works from personal experience, I'm just gonna talk about some of the facts that I do know about this product. And I do know that this is literally their #1 selling product. So for this to be their best product, and I'm obsessing over their other products, I really do think this is awesome. The only thing about this that I was kind of bummed out to learn about is that it lasts for about 14 days. So it is an exfoliate sponge. So it's hard right now, like it's a rock. And then as soon as you get it wet, it's supposed to be like this silky, like more like an actual sponge feeling that squishes, and then it hardens up again. So you're supposed to use it hard first, and then when it gets wet, you're supposed to use it as a soft, like a soft exfoliant. So you're supposed to use it both ways, and it's guaranteed to last for 14 days. Now, since I shower every day, I don't think I need to exfoliate every day. So I think they mean 14 days of use, which for me would probably be like a month. I just don't like products I have to refill that quickly. I don't really buy anything that I have to get but every 2 months. So this does seem like it might go faster than the other products, but since it is their top selling product, I'm sure it's fantastic. I'm gonna take it out of the little plastic right now so y'all can see, and then we're gonna just talk about it a little bit. Oh, also one little like added cute thing. This is obviously meant to like hang it in your shower, but so many people get these as stocking stuffers and hang them on the tree as ornaments. It's so cute. I thought that was such a like creative little idea that Spongelle did with these to make them as little Christmas gifts, even though we're in February. Thinking ahead. Oh my god, this smells so good. I'm just gonna leave this on my vanity like it is as the makeshift candle. I'm gonna try to hold it like this because it's got its product all over it, and I'm getting it all over my hands, and I want to have this last as long as possible. Okay, so this little guy retails for $14. Fantastic price. Spongelle is killing it with the pricing here. All of their stuff is patented too, so they're the only people that sell products like these. This is considered to be 3 ounces, even though it's not a liquid. There's some things that are like in the gray area, which this is. That if it was too big, you couldn't travel with it, but you can travel with this on the actual plane, just like our hand cream. So it says these colorful flowers are designed to cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and nourish the skin from neck to toe. So do not use this on your face. It is too rough. It is not meant for how sensitive and gentle our skin is on our face. It's meant for your body. Spongelle's unique body wash infused buffers change instantly underwater as you squeeze, from a sensual exfoliating massage texture to as soft as silk. I'm literally dying to try this. I'm gonna go do that tonight. I cannot wait. Their patented technology provides a guaranteed number of 14 plus washes. Okay, so 14 or more, so it's a little bit more than just 14. So like I said, I cannot talk about this little guy from experience of using it, but it's like rock solid right now. I can't wait to use it. It smells just as good as its sister products. And again, this comes in a million fragrances. So those are the 3 products I have today to show you guys. A quick little tidbit, all of SpongeElle's products are vegan and they're all cruelty free. They are all really made nicely in the US. These 2 products that I've been using are just fantastic. I love them. They're actually made right in Los Angeles, so super close to home for me. So as always, I will attach a product description with more ingredients below in the caption. I will attach SpongeElle's website. Now time for the fun stuff. So if you are wanting to shop for some SpongeElle goodies after my giveaway, which my giveaway is from February 23rd, 2020 to March 1st, 2020, no worries. You can still use code AngelicaFits15 for 15% off of your entire order from SpongeElle. And if it is still within the time frame, you can head to my Instagram and enter a giveaway that I am teaming up with SpongeElle to give to you guys. And it is an entire skincare package from SpongeElle. It's more products than I have here to show y'all. It is an entire scent. I think it's gonna be the same scent just because it's from me, which this is my favorite. So I really wanna give y'all the same scent that I love. But it's gonna be all of their lavender scents. So I'm so excited that I was able to give that to you. I uploaded my giveaway on Sunday, February 23rd, and 300 plus people have already entered it just on the first day. So there's an entire week to enter. If you are still within the window, definitely make sure to check out my Instagram post with the rules on how to enter. It's super simple. I'm attaching it below. And if it is past March 1st, unfortunately, you can use my code AngelicaFits15 at their website and at checkout, and you'll get 15% off of your entire order from SpongeElle. I receive no commission from that. That's just a little incentive that I asked the brand if I could give you guys so that things are cheaper, because we like to save money anywhere we can. So other than that, you guys, I absolutely love SpongeElle. Definitely check them out. Again, their website's attached below. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button below if you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.